Hi, Mellie Dee Dee. I'm back with another video, and I am doing a twist out on dry hair. And look at that, it is super, super dry. It's been about 2 weeks. So I got my spritz bottle with just water, my oil, and then I have Butterlicious Curls by Cream of Nature that I love so much. It will have my hair feeling so soft and moisturized. So I'm just gonna separate it into 4 parts. Untangle them ends. I'm gonna save all of my hair for y'all. So now I am hand parting the back of my hair. I put 2 braids in the back. I water. And don't mind me, I just look super, super dry. I just got off work and it's been a long day. Get the cream, look how jiggly it is. All that goodness. Put it on, ends to roots. Get your comb it out, ends to roots. Make sure all the product is in your hair. My roots was really, really, really thick. Some more cream, get a little bit more moisturized because my hair was super dry. Okay, and now I'm going to braid the root. I always like to braid my root first because it doesn't make my roots that thick when I take the twist out. So I braid it down a little bit and then I split it into 2. I split that one into 2 and then I start twisting. And I'll show you again in slow motion what I mean when I get to the front. Just twist it all the way down. Okay. Then you stop. When you get to the ends, put a little bit more cream. Make sure it's nice and moisturized. My ends was really, really dry, so you make sure it's nice and moisturized. And then you grab your perm rod. I have the gray ones because I want the ends a little bit smaller. And then you just twist it with that wrist work. And continue on with the rest of your hair. Get that jam edges down, child. Alright, I just wanted to show you the back, how I part. I put 2 in the back, 3 in the middle, 1 on each side. And then for the top, I'm going to split that in half. Then I'm going to split that half in half where I get 2 in the front and 2 in the middle. And this is the slow motion. So when I braid it down, I'm going to split the middle piece of hair in half like that. And then I'm going to take that 1/2 and twist it. You see how I'm twisting it so it doesn't let go. You see? You just twist it. You see how it's 2 pieces? You just want to twist it and seal it so it won't come out. And just continue twisting all the way down. Get some more cream for the end so it won't be dry. Perm rod. And I have that one blue perm rod because I ran out. The blue one is smaller, but I didn't want to have the smaller one in the front, so that's why I put it in the back. And this is how much hair that came out, which is bad. Don't want that. All right, it is 2 days later and I'm ready to take them out. Got my oil and my pick. Let's unravel the wands and look at that curl for the girls. Unravel them nice and slow. Put oil all over your hands, and then I'm just separating them. Okay, so I did not want to do a voiceover on this because do y'all see these curls, baby? Do y'all see these curls? All right, so I'm gonna take out this last one. I saved the last one for y'all, babies. All right, so when I unseparate it, I start from like the middle, and I'll just go like that and just unseparate it all the way down. And you see how I braided the roots, so it's already gonna separate into 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. So you won't have to separate it anymore because once you unravel that braid, it's already separated. So once I get to the root, I just go like that, and voila. I'm not gonna separate it anymore because I want this to last a week, okay? It's not as big as I want it, but if I was to separate it, it wouldn't last a week. If I was to separate it, it would just get messed up quicker. So I want this to last for a week. So I'm gonna keep it just like this, and the longer it goes, the better it gets. Day 3, I bet my hair is gonna be bomb, babies. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on day 3. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if y'all like that voiceover. That was my first time. I think it was cool, but it'll stop me from being so ratchet. But that's me. I just enjoy you guys. So, I mean, that's just my real self. I can't be ratchet if I'm just recording a voiceover. Then I'm just gonna be walking y'all through and telling y'all what I'm doing. But if y'all like this video, put the thumbs up, thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, ding, 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 so you get the notification every time I upload a what? Bomb as busy, y'all.